What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of this for me rare zippo here in Colombia. It's the zippo slim fan. It's a zippo lighter. Okay. Okay, it's here. It is brand new, but the thing was that in the zippo store here in Colombia, you need to check the lighters, so they take out this little piece of sticker that said take and not give it to a child and everything. Okay, so they put gas also in the store, so I'm gonna just press it and it will work. Oh yeah, first time it burns. Okay, YouTube, this is for me. Here is one of the first times I see this lighter. I see it in another channel. I don't remember now, but I'll do a comparison to my first zippo. This is my first zippo. It's from 2007. This is from 2008. So okay. First, the sound is different. Second, my first zippo is a little bit longer. The slim model was made around, I don't know, it was 1950s, and they created for women, the women who smoke. I don't smoke, but I have plenty of them. Okay, so first, here, one of the comparison is a chimney. It's a little bit smaller, if you can see here. Yep. Okay, so also this is flat, the zippo mechanism, and this one is not flat. This one is like you see the like the curve that this have, like this. Wee. So okay, for me now this is my favorite zippo after my first zippo. That really is my favorite zippo. But really, I've been carrying these for around 1 day because I buy it yesterday, and I really have not. It's not the first time I light it, but really I prefer this lighter than this one. This one is my favorite zippo, but I prefer the slim because it's really simple to use. This one is a little bit more, like heavy. This one is really, it's not heavy. It's really easy to carry. Okay, YouTube, please subscribe and thumb up. Okay, that was it.